Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking to you about starting up a Google Classroom for your students. So off of our district quick links page, third one down, you will see that there is a Google Classroom option. Go ahead and click on that. And now mine's going to look a little bit different than yours because I have a couple classes already started, but we should all have a plus sign in the top right corner up by your email address. And when you click on that plus sign, you'll see two options: join class and create class. Now, joining a class is for your students. Creating a class is for you to create the classroom for them. So go ahead and click on create class. Now, when you're creating your class, you want to think of a couple of things. Do you want to create this as an entire grade level class, or do you want to create it hourly? Now, behind the scenes, you can see that I chose to do mine for the entire group. So I send out my information to all of them at once. This one is Mrs. Krause's, and you can see she sets hers up hourly. So she manages them according to how many students are in there. I have all of them in my gradebook at one time, so I have all 109 students listed in mine. So it just depends on how you want to set it out and distribute your information and what your purpose is for using this. So we're going to pretend we're going to create a science class today. So we're going to type in science. So that's the name of the class, and I'll do an hour 3. And when you hit create, it'll take a moment to process and think and get things set up. But basically, in a minute here, you're going to see your Google Classroom. And there it is. You've created a Google Classroom. You can see it's Science Hour 3. And now to create, say, Science Hour 4, you simply go back over here to your triple line feature. This is your menu. When you click on your triple line, you go to your classes option. There's the class you just created, and you'll be able to go back over to the plus sign, click on it, and create another class. And here is how you set up another class. Again, we can go science. This time we'll make this one hour 4 and create. And this time when it creates the classroom, you will see at the heading of it, it'll say science hour 4. And there it is, science hour 4. Now, how do I get back to science hour 3? You just simply go back to your main menu, click on your classes, and you can choose which class you want to go into at whatever time. If you want to make yet another class, you can just go back up to the plus sign, hit create class, title your class, give it a little more definition, hour 5, and create. That's the basic setup for Google Classroom.